circle. And with the music, we'll dance. Circle left. Go, Leo. Back to the right. That's right. You got it. Everybody, face the band. Stand right next to your partner. Top couple separate. Everybody follow the person in front of you. Meet your partner. The other hand, promenade away.
Behind him, all the way back, all the way.
Coaches and horses, to the left. Okay.
Something like that. Something, Hi, sweetie.
Coaches and horses, to the right. When you get home, step back to lines. Join your hands all the way down, across at the bottom. Thread that needle through line number 1. You got this, Ken. Join your hands, thread the needle the other way back. Go, Ken. Circle left. Back to the right. Everybody, face the band. Stand right next to your partner. Top couple separate. Everybody, follow the person in front of you. Meet your partner. Promenade up. Coaches and horses, to the left. Coaches and horses, to the right.
We already got it.
We're doing great.
When you get home, step back to lines. Join your hands all the way down, across at the bottom. Thread that needle through line number 1. Thread that needle the other way back. One more time, circle left. Band. Stand next to your partner. Top couple separate. Down the outside. Coaches and horses, to the left. Coaches and horses, to the right. You can follow. When you get home, step back to lines. Join your hands all the way down, across at the bottom. See if you can get them in. Thread that needle through line number 1. Thread that needle the other way back. And everybody honor your partner's song. We're going to do one more dance that you have to hold hands all the time. Hold on tight and don't let go. We're going to do easy things. We're going to go into the center and back. We're going to circle left. We're going to circle right. And so when the music starts, we're going to go into the center and back. Everybody into the center. Do it again. Let's hear you this time. Circle left around that ring. Back to the right, the other way back.
It's fun if you decide to.
Into the center, here we go. Do it again with a great big shout. Circle left.
Yes.
Back to the right, the other way back. Into the center, let's hear you this time. One more time with a great big shout. Circle left around that ring. This time, keep circling. Hold on tight, don't let go. Spread out as much as you can.
Frank, come down.
Keep circling.
Got this. Find a shady spot. Okay.
Everybody, face the band. Left side of the music.
That was fun. That was a good time. That was a good time.